To instantly set up a PBR texture in Blender using keyboard shortcuts, click here on Edit, click here on Preferences, click on Add-ons and search for Node Wrangler. Make sure the checkbox is selected. Close the tab. Click here on the Shading tab and select your object. I will quickly adjust my viewport. Select the principled BSDF and on your keyboard hit Ctrl-Shift-T and you get the option to select the PBR material. Find the folder where your material is installed. I have multiple materials here. I will select a random one and here select all these files using the Shift button on your keyboard. You can now either hit enter or click here on Principled Texture Setup. You can see that the PBR texture has been applied to our object. Now, if you want to know about an amazing AI tool that can build 3D models using prompts, then you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.